Let me show you a way that you can begin to sell to people that are abroad, either on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok, or any social media platform that you sell as a business owner online. This strategy I'm about to show you is the way you can be selling to people in another country. This is very good for people that sells jackpot products, that sells products like African food, that sell products that people living abroad will need. This will bring customer to you from UK, from US, from Australia, from Netherlands, from Dubai, from Qatar, from wherever you think about around the world. If you follow this strategy that I'm about to show you, you begin to get sales from different places outside where you live. So this strategy is going to help you a lot to position your brand, to give the right solution you want to give to the right people. So if you want to be selling to people abroad, for example, if you live in Nigeria and you want people in UK, in Canada, in Australia, and US to be buying whatever you are selling, then this video is for you. Watch this video. It's a tutorial. You need to watch it to the end so that you can learn the things that is going to benefit your business. You begin to pack orders back to back to back and begin to ship this order abroad. Hi, my name is Temi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing me for the first time, you are welcome. In here, I teach business owner and content creators with the best business strategy, tutorials that will make life easy. People don't work hard again, people work smart. So you are welcome to the place where you're going to be learning one or two things. Today's video is focused on business owner or service provider that want to be getting customers abroad. So if you live in Nigeria, for example, and you want to be getting customers from Australia, from USA, from Canada, this video, you are going to thank me for it. So if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, click that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, comment below if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to share this video to your business owner besties and your online besties that would love to learn one or two things from this video. You are definitely going to thank me by the end of this video if you follow this strategy that I am showing you.
I recently used this method for a business that sells African foodstuff to target Nigerians and Africans abroad in the US, and it was successful. So if you want to focus on this type of targeting, we'll be focusing on three things. The first one is going to be our interest. The second one is the location you want to target, and the third one is your ad copy. So now let's start with the interest. So this interest, you are going to be selecting those things that Nigerian can relate to. If you are a Ghanaian or any part of African, you are going to pick things that Ghanaian in the US, that whenever they see those things, they will relate to it. They are going to go straight and understand that this is their language. So we are going to be picking Ankara, Wizkid. Another one you can pick is maybe Yoruba language. You know, all of those things that you know that if people in your country see it, they will relate to it. Like Afrobeats, like Davido that I've selected. You can even put places like maybe a language like Yoruba language that people could be speaking. When you speak that language, they will know, or those people speak those kind of language. You can pick Lagos. When people that are Nigerians abroad see Lagos, they can relate to it. You can pick Abuja. All of these things are the type of things that people that are Nigerians living in other countries can relate to. GT Bank, all of those things, right? So it's something that they can easily relate to, and it is things that they are interested in. So after you finish selecting and writing all of these interests down, and you are clear on the type of interest that those people living abroad would be more interested in, the next thing you want to come to now is your location. For location, now let's say we want to target United States of America for these advertisements that we want to do. So avoid targeting the entire USA. You know, it's a very big and broad audience. So you come to Google and search for states with highest Nigerian population in the US, just like this. So Google is going to give you names of those places that Nigerians are living. You see places like like Texas, Maryland, California, New York, and all of these places are the places that Nigerians are staying. So let's target US, for example. After Google has given you, come back to where you've written it down and write them down in your location. Make sure you highlight those places like Texas, Maryland, New York, California, all of these places that they have given you in that search. So that's the location that you are going to use for this particular advertisement, so that our location can be targeted right. We don't just want to pick the entire US. You know, US is very, very big. So the next thing now you want to come to is your ad copy. Your ad copy is your primary text. It is like your caption. Okay, and it is also the video you want to use for your ad. If you want to do this kind of ad and you want it to touch Nigerians and Africans abroad or Nigerians in the US, you can use Pidgin for your ad copy. You can use Pidgin to talk in your video, right? You can write your caption in Pidgin. You can make it to be in a dialect language. You can write something like, my people, how na day. You can use slangs that once Nigerian hear, Igbo kwenu, enyi temi, all of those things, that if Nigerians hear it, immediately they hear that thing, they will easily relate to it, and they can easily be attracted to that advertisement. Okay, so use a tone, a slang, a word that Nigerians abroad can easily relate to, that can attract them to check what you are selling, to even click it and begin to buy, right? If you can use these things effectively, targeting from the interest, once you start putting it on your ad app, putting your location, putting your ad copy with the slang, the tune, the word that Nigerians can relate to anywhere in the world, trust me, the advertisement is going to fly a lot, and a lot of people abroad will begin to buy what you are selling. In fact, you'll be packing orders every day, sending it abroad. This method works a lot if you want to target Nigerians or Africans living abroad, especially if you sell jackpot products, food stuff, clothing, all of those African things. Try it out and let me know. You are definitely going to like this one. This is a one that will make you begin to have customers around the world. I'm sure you love these tutorials that I've just shown you. Then if you do, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, comment below if you found this video helpful. Let me know what would you like me to teach you next on this channel, and stick around in this channel because there's a lot of amazing things I'm going to be showing you, tutorials that you'll be learning all the time on this YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Bye.